Hi, I'll be telling you about the book called No Talking by Andrew Clements. No Talking is about two main characters, Lynsey and Dave. Lynsey is a girl who does not like Dave much, and Dave's a boy who does not like Lynsey much. And they don't really get along. They have to do a report together, and they don't practice at all, and that really shows. When they have to go up to give their report, Dave coughs purposely and bends down and hits the whole stack of flashcards. And Lynsey is helpless and she doesn't know much about India, which is their report, and she doesn't know what to do. So she just stands there and watches it all roll out. I would recommend this book for anyone who wants a little comedy. Dave is this boy who doesn't really get along with girls, and he likes India. He was interested, but he didn't come through. And Lynsey does not like working with anybody else but herself. She's not really a drama queen, but she does not like Dave. And I would recommend this book for anyone who likes a little comedy and a short novel. And that's No Talking.